The University of New South Wales School of Surveying and Spatial Information Systems is not a large department, but our satellite-based navigation and Earth observation research is first class. The breadth and quality of our research achievements and publications, and the training of our highly qualified staff and students is second to none in Australia. The GPS system has revolutionised the way we measure position. GPS research commenced at the school in 1984, and since the early 1990s has been organised under the Satellite Navigation and Positioning Group. Over the last 10 years, the field of Global Navigation Satellite Systems, or GNSS, has developed rapidly, with even faster growth expected in this decade. In response, the school's research has extended to GNSS and has expanded to encompass all forms of navigation. Today, the school is home to Australia's premier academic research groups in navigation and Earth observation. GNSS and Earth observation satellites are being increasingly used in global change studies, such as measuring the rate of sea level rise, ionosphere and troposphere composition, mapping the diminishing ice sheets, and monitoring the mass transport within the water cycle. Although navigation is one of the oldest of the applied sciences, it is critical to the functioning of a modern society. The geospatial revolution has meant that location determination and digital images of the Earth are now essential for emergency services, military operations, surveying and mapping, machine automation, transport management, and personal mobility. Our navigation research includes GNSS receiver design, data and signal processing algorithms, inertial navigation technologies, and data fusion algorithms. It also includes research into radio positioning systems based on telecommunications, such as mobile telephony, Wi-Fi, RFID, and Bluetooth. These and other positioning systems such as locator are being integrated into many applications, from farm vehicle automation and robotics to rapid mapping and personal navigation. Understanding the Earth, managing its resources, and ensuring sustainable development requires the use of sophisticated Earth observation systems. Our Earth observation research combines the science of geodesy with geospatial technologies, including radar and optical remote sensing, aerial and satellite cameras, airborne and terrestrial laser scanning. The opportunities for growth are driven on the one hand by the rapid development in sensor technology, and on the other hand by society's hunger for more and new forms of spatial information. Spatial information enables us to better manage the environment, to detect and monitor changes in land use and land cover, and to improve urban planning, transport and infrastructure. We're also striving for an understanding of devastating Earth processes, such as earthquakes, volcanoes and tsunamis. Some of our outstanding research achievements include the development of the Nameru GNSS receiver, high-precision GPS positioning for geodesy and machine guidance, and our work with the Australian company Locator on the groundbreaking invention for positioning where GNSS cannot be used. We're also home to Australia's best satellite radar group, with expertise in digital elevation model generation and ground deformation monitoring. Our research strengths in satellite-based technology mean that we can make substantial contributions to Australia's future space science and satellite engineering capability. In July 2010, the Federal Government's Australian Space Research Program granted $4.6 million for the Synthetic Aperture Radar Satellite Formation Flying Project, a project led by the school in a consortium of university and private sector partners. This is the cornerstone of a new UNSW-based Australian Centre for Space Engineering Research, headed by Professor Andrew Dempster.
Australia does not have a strong space research culture. We do not have a space agency, and we do not have a dedicated space laboratory for research. By founding the Australian Centre for Space Engineering Research, we're intending not only to perform world-class research, but also to provide the complementary function to any future Australia Space Agency.
With so much going on, we're always looking for bright, enthusiastic people for our PhD and Master's programs. Join us in research that is truly pushing back the boundaries of geospatial technology and applications.